All right, we should be live. And we are live on YouTube. We're live on TikTok. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, let's get up there. Boom, boom. I'm not really seeing anything besides IMMX. That's what we're watching today. I'm watching, making sure that this. I mean, we're coming off a nice double bottom here. Let's see if we can actually crack over VWAP. There's the crack over VWAP. Let's see if we can actually get some volume to come in here. Except I don't have the right. I can't order the right. I can't get in. I was looking to get in around 246, risking around 12 cents, but possibly room to get 20, 30 cents. Wasn't able to get it. We got to go active trader here. Man, that's so unfortunate. That would have been a great trade. Let's see, get a retest here. Off VWAP, down off VWAP. Let's see it. I'm not a huge fan of trusting it at the moment. Very light volume. Nice pivot low here. Let's see if this will continue to rip up. Again, we're getting increasing volume, lower spread. Possibly might not see this continue. There, we're starting to get some volume, starting to step in. Let's see if this is going to continue to push. The volume continues to come, but the price action is still stagnant. I'm looking to just not touch this. But again, that's unfortunate. I wasn't able to jump in off that bounce. That would have been a really, really nice, really good. But you know, now we have the highest volume on the day on this candle. Watch for a pullback here. Pullback down to 1250. Room back up to 12. Not seeing it that much. I don't want to take it now. It's a little. I don't want to chase it, which is unfortunate. Because I was looking to get that off 244 or nice rip, nice 14 cents, 20 cents. Damn. So unfortunate, but you know what happens. Just wasn't able. What I don't like is that I don't have I can't synchronize my crosshairs. So let's see. Yeah, it is, but it's this is on a totally different chart, so it's weird. Coming into some volume again. We don't have RSI divergence, but we are overbought now. Let's see a quick pullback and a retest of VWAP. Let's find out. Thank you guys for jumping in. We're at 44. We have 44 viewers. Go ahead and smash the like button and go ahead and give me any you guys want to see. Right now I'm looking at IMMX. Now I'm looking at IMMX because it's gapping up 60% with a volume of 7 million and 7.5 million volume traded today with an average of 200,000. So really high volume, really high relative volume with 5.8 million in float. Very low float and is moving up. Now they have news. FDA approved drug. And cancer. So there's some keywords there. We had a lot of volume yesterday, and that seems to carry on into today. And so let's see what's going on here. We kind of are rounding off. I want to see a pullback and retest of 250 possibly before we continue to rip. Again, I missed my entry because I didn't have my active trader up. There's the retest, but I'm not ready for it, and I missed that entry. So that's unfortunate, but we had a nice false breakout there too. So I am going to wait and see what happens here. See if we do get another retest light volume and make sure that this trend to the downside is not super strong. But we have a nice pivot point there now. So we can use that. We also have this as a pivot point. This could be a flag to the upside. Let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and send it out to the team so they can know. And control save, flag. All right. open on IMMX. So possible. Might be over 269. Where can we go? Over 269 for IMMX. Next target's going to be $3. We have the 20 EMA, which is about to cross. I want to see very light volume coming into this area. Again, right now your stops have to be at 34. Now, your stops at 34. If you want to jump in, you're risking around 13 cents. You can get in 15, so I might have to risk. I have to risk less than what I can. So I like this decreasing volume, and there's the pop. It looks like I don't think I'm gonna get it. I wanted to get it off VWAP, just wasn't ready for it. It's okay though. Earnings. Oh, we didn't really get to see that. I think we could have another pivot low, possibly. Let's see volume start to step in here, and it looks like I probably am going to miss it. Stops right now would be below this area. There's no volume at this moment. Let's see if we can crack. Pulling up. We're on the 1 minute here. What about the 2 minute? What's going on with the 2 minute? We got absorbed. Let's see a pullback into this area. Decreasing volume. Again, we're kind of just sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. Again, this is not the best. It's not the cleanest opportunity, but it is an opportunity to watch. Thank you guys for jumping in. Here, I can scoot you guys back just a little. All right, so we're pulling back pretty well here. Nice false breakout to the upside. We could have a pivot low. Very light volume on this pullback. Want to see a retest of 250, very light volume, or heavy volume with a strong close. I'd be looking to take it up to 270, break 270 to 280 for IMMX. I'm going to go in here at 256, stops below at 248, risking barely any. I like this decreasing volume on the break, building up at the top of the trend line. Now I'm taking this off VWAP for the possible flag. My risks are low, slow, decreasing volume on the move lower. So let's see what happens here with IMMX as we continue to push above this trend line, or if we can push above this trend line. Looks like we're pulling back. We just made a new low. Again, my stops are at 48. Or 248, excuse me. Want to see that volume start to step in here. Want to see it pull up. I'm at 256 is my entry. 256 is my entry. I want to see a nice bounce. It looks like we could possibly break below VWAP. Let's see volume start to step in over this area. If we take this 255 person out, we're most likely going to squeeze up. There's the squeeze. Let's see it start to squeeze up here. I want to see it start to break the downtrend. Getting some volume here. Let's see if we can get some buyers start to back it here. But I don't like the volume. I don't like the volume at all. There's the volume starting to come in. Let's see it push over this area, 259, 260. Let's see it, come on. Let's see a nice squeeze over this area. Let's see it. See a nice squeeze. Come on, push over 260. If you don't right here, I'm going to cut this on this candle. If you don't squeeze over 260 on this candle, I'm cutting it. I don't like it. I didn't like it. I had to cut it. I'll take what? That was $4. It's probably going to end up squeezing, but I just didn't trust it because it's pre-market. This was the first move. It hasn't shown us a reason to actually continue to hold this. So why would I risk it at this moment? I'm not going to risk it because It didn't. It showed we had a nice pop and a squeeze, get rejected, then we get hit with the same amount of volume, but we don't move anywhere. So I was looking for the nice break, but didn't get. Again, it still could rip. I just didn't. I didn't want to risk it at all. I'll take $4 out of the trade. I'd rather take $4 at break even and miss this trade than to risk and potentially, because if it squeezed below VWAP, below this, I expected it to absolutely rip to the downside. And now what happens when we can't, when a stock is ripping in pre-market and you're looking to sell or buy, you cannot get out because it's moving so fast and you can only put limit orders in, meaning that if my limit order, if it's falling and as it's falling and I wanted to sell at the price, I can't place it where see the price right now is at 259. If it's falling, I can't place a stop at 255 yet. There it is. Boom. That was good. That was really good. I sold into that area because I really didn't want to take that risk. Looks like we were building up, not really doing anything. Still, we're being stagnant. We're not doing much. But I'm glad I was able to just kind of all right, so let's see what happens here, really. I don't even have Josh. Guys, I don't know. I just I don't trust it. I don't trust it at the moment. I think I'm just kind of sitting in my hands waiting for that good opportunity. Again, we have 175 people. Thank you for the follow. Right now, guys, the market is not doing much. Very slow. We have one gapper, which is IMMX. Not very good. If you guys want to see me trade, come over to the YouTube. I was looking for IMMX to bounce off VWAP, break the pennant for room back up to push to 270 to 280 to $3. But again, did not trust it. It is pre-market. The markets aren't the best. This is really the only stock with volume today. So I think this is the only thing for penny stocks is IMMX. Now, what's going on with the SPY here? Let's go ahead and take a look at this SPY. So the SPY is moving up. Again, we had a very, very nice double bottom. We might have an opportunity to break this downtrend, which would kind of go over the overall price action that I'm thinking. So let me go ahead and bring this over on YouTube so you can on YouTube screen. So on the monthly chart, I think we can see the SPY. We're very overextended. We can see the 90 MA is all the way up at $4 or 40. I can't talk right now. $426. Now we are pulling back with light volume. We're having around the same amount of volume, lower spread. I do want to see a break of this downtrend on the daily chart with this double bottom. If we can see a break of this downtrend, we might be able to see room back up to 240, 220 for the possible nice retest of the 50 SMA before continuing lower. In my opinion, I think we're overextended and we need to come back and test this level of this supply demand zone. Since it was a demand zone, now it's going to become a supply zone. That's how it works. You flip it, it starts to become resistance. We haven't touched the 50 SMA on the monthly in forever. I mean, since the COVID crash, since the crash in 2018, like we can see that we just bounce off the 50 SMA a lot. Or we used to. That was a 2008 crash or the .com bubble. It looks like. So that's probably what we're gonna see. Possibly with the .com. I mean, we could see a nice top and just kind of consolidate for a long time. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw that happen, just because that's what we're going into. So it's whatever. Let's. Oh, I don't want to fit studies. What are we doing? That's why. All right, yeah. So I mean, the only thing I'm watching is the IMMX. Wow, and of course, there it is. There's the break. A nice small retest here. There's the same thing happened on NURO yesterday. The same exact thing. Looking for a nice squeeze, possibly up to 280 here. I wanted it off 257. Very light volume. I'm not touching it, guys. It's too choppy for me, especially during pre-market. I'm done with it at the moment. I'm waiting for it to see if it can set up. Yes, trending up or down today. I have no idea. I wish I could tell you. Man, people are absolutely killing it. Everybody hit that follow button. Yeah, if I could tell you where a stock was gonna go, I wouldn't give that out to you guys. No trader knows where a stock's gonna go. That's the thing. It's all about a strategy and a set probabilities of it going in your. Now, before we actually get into market open, let's go ahead and cover some rules. Trading. You got to believe you are consistent. You got to act consistent in your daily lives. You got to act consistent in your trading sessions. You got to just understand it. Again, I cut back my loss on IMMX because I was trading the chart, not my emotions. I did not want this because I had proper risk management, proper position sizing, that I was able to, not get the trade. And okay, so we're getting some decreasing volume here. Again, I'm not looking to touch it. I really don't. I don't trust it. Could be a pennant here. Buy off 256, room up to 269. You're possibly getting 10 cents, risking around. Yep, there's the move higher. Again, it's just not explosive, not nice. So I'm not trading it. I'm done. Yeah. So again, you are any guardians about? Let's go ahead and take a look at BTC, Bitcoin here. Now, Bitcoin is basically going to track the stock market. That's what's going to happen. Bitcoin's been tracking the NASDAQ, basically. You just got to be patient with it and understand that I do think we're going to consolidate for another couple weeks because we had this really high doji candle with really high volume. Again, I think I probably drew that trend line. Yeah, I drew that trend line to connect to that. So we do have some RSI divergence though. So we do have actually really good RSI divergence on the daily. So let's go ahead and actually take a picture of that and send it out to the team, just so people understand. People can look at it. Bitcoin on the daily. Now we have some RSI and our RSI. But if we actually look, our RSI is, so this is known as RSI divergence. So we can see that the first point on the RSI is lower than the second point on the RSI, and we get to that the first point on the price chart is higher than on the second point. So we got some Bitcoin RSI divergence, which is good. So we're going to tell the team as well. To BTC RSI. All right, yeah. What a couple. I'm not too sure. What do you mean? Yeah, Bitcoin, there's some RSI divergence there. Right now we are looking at IMMX. Let's see. IMMX is kind of, we have 5 minutes left till market open. See, IMMX is just choppy, just ugly, not looking good. But so far already, I'm not even going to draw a trend line. I mean, I'm not even looking to trade this pennant, so why would I draw this trend line? Because it just doesn't look good. We have, see, there's nothing. So, have you looked into CEI, Jimmy? No, I have not, but I will right now. CEI. All right, so with CEI, here we go. We have on our daily chart here, We're very choppy. I'm not a huge fan of CEI. I'm not going to make any predictions with it at the moment. I do think we're going to see a pullback and a bounce on this 200 SMA on the 4-hour. We can see that we had a nice recovery. I would like to see a retest of this zone, again, of this 200 SMA on the 4-hour. We did get rejected on the 50 SMA. We possibly could be setting up for a moving average squeeze where the 9 and 20 EMA squeeze it over the 50 SMA, possibly room up to 90 cents for CEI. So again, you got to watch out for there. Again, you're going to want to see a pullback and retest this. We did, whoa, CEI is gapping up a good amount. I didn't even notice that. CEI is gapping up a good amount. What did we close yesterday at? 75.61. That's good enough. Okay, we're gapping up like 10%, so that's pretty good for CEI. We're at, what are we at? Okay, we hit a high. Oh, we already cracked way above that area. So, I mean, we'll have to see what happens. Again, we'll have to wait for this to develop. I'm not much of a swing trader, but right now there's not really a swing trade setting up for CEI, in my opinion. We have IMMX. Again, what's going on here? How accurate is RSI divergence when entering a trade? So the RSI divergence is not accurate. Oh, it's just giving you another sign. Once you find kind of where you want to set your stop loss, where a good stop loss is, another way to validate your trade is through the RSI. But don't use that as an entry. That's another way to validate your thesis of stock market. You think that market is. So you want to use it in conjunction with a bunch of other. Jimmy, awesome. Oh, guys, go ahead and let me know in the comments in the chat. Do we think IMMX is going to be the best one? NUMRO is going to be the best one. The SPY, Qs. Let me go ahead and bring this over, actually. What do we think? We have IMMX, NURO, VERU, SPY and the Qs. Oh, the SPY and MX, they're tied. I'm looking for IMMX. Okay, we do have an IMX 9 EMA VWAP squeeze. 1 minute here. 1 minute to go. I would be looking for a really quick, fast, divided by 2.35. I'm going to be looking to take around 300 shares right at 235 for the nice bounce and possibly push back up into the open. So let's see what happens. We have 52 seconds left. Let's get hyped. Let's get ready. Here we go. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. This could be a very quick one and done trade. We'll see what happens. We want to see the perfect washout, pretty light volume. Again, that's hard to really explain or hard to really see at market open, but you know, shit happens. We'll have to see. Let's go ahead and extend this a little bit. Boom. Make this a little bit better. All right. 14. You trade the US 30. No, I do not trade Forex. All right, I'm going to be looking for a nice bounce off. I'm going to be risking like 30. I'm going to be risking like $30 on this trade. Nothing crazy. Let's see a nice, oh, the washout wasn't strong enough. Washout wasn't strong enough. Don't take it now. We have Sam. Oh, he has the volume profile on the SPY. I think he sees a rising wedge. That's good to know. Maybe possible some puts in the SPY. Yeah, we gapped up a crazy amount. We're up 52%. All right, I'm risking $1,200 per trade. Okay, if you're risking $1,200 per trade, you want to be making it 2,400 per. So good. That's great if you're able to risk that much. I am not. Their washout long would have worked on IMMX, but I didn't wash out to my liking. So let's see if this can actually rip up here. Yeah, if you guys could like the stream, tap, tap, tap. So just so try to get more viewers. Let's try to get to 500 likes. After that, we'll try to get to 1,000. I know we can do it. Let's see what happens. We have a washout long possibly on Git. GET taking too long to load. Don't even want. I'm looking at IMMX now, possibly just for the bounce. Let's see if this will continue. I mean, yeah. Oh, there was the fake. Ooh. Yeah, let's look at the spy. What's going on with the spy? Oh, look at that scam wick. Look at that scam wick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We wicked all the way up to. No way that was real price action. No way that was real price action. That had to be fake. Very light volume on the move higher. Let's go ahead and look for some looking for some puts, possibly. All right, let's see. This thing, we're getting rejected here. Off the 90 EMA, let's see a nice weak close. Man, I missed it. I wanted to jump in at 295 for the short of the SPY. Let's see what happens at 295. Let's see. Oh yeah. 285 getting rejected off this area. 280. Decreasing volume. Canceled it real quick, missed the entry. 290, missed the entry. That would have been up 20, 30 bucks on this very quick. Let's see if Grab can actually get out of this. APLD. APLD moving. APLD moving. Now, what's the float? APLD. We have a lot of overhead resistance. Today, there's only, yeah, I'm not taking this. The volume is not there. Oh my gosh, that would have been a perfect put. I was looking to buy this at a 270. Thank you guys for the follow. If you guys could, we're at 600 likes. Thank you guys so much. Let's get 1,000. I know we can do it. Right now, needs volume. Good morning. iMac is moving. iMac is moving. iMac is moving. Okay. Now today it's traded. Okay, this is better. I like the volume's getting there. We're up 11%. Hey, that's B.Graham. Needs volume. Yeah, iMac does need some volume. What I don't like is this high volume doji candle off 118. That's what I don't like off iMac. And I don't really like anything else. I'm really just focusing on the SPY here. I really should have. I was so tempted to buy some puts, and I actually did put the order in. I just didn't get filled. I put the order in at 2 at like 270 something, and now the contract's sitting at 330. So, oh, 340. Oh, 350. Oh, that would have been a very, very nice short there. So you come back and retest of like this area, looking to maybe continue to catch this move. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. We're almost at 700 likes. Thank you guys. All right, all right. Looking for the SPY right now. People are thinking the SPY is bearish. We'll have to see what happens. Again, I'm really looking at what else do we have? We have IMAC as well. Oh, this, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. We are pulling up into this 120, 121 is the 20 or the 200 SMA on the daily chart here. So that's definitely something we got to watch out for. And seeing that we have very light volume, and yesterday that we exploded and got pushed back, that's not I don't know. MDXH halted. Let's see a nice bounce here. Decreasing volume. Oh, we have 50 SMA. 360. That would have been a $100 trade right there on some options if I actually did buy it there. So that's unfortunate. We have grab. Pulling back into this area. Very light volume. Not really doing anything. Not really liking anything. Let's see it pull up into this area. Yep. There, I got in at 322. Looking for it to pull back a little bit more here. Stops are above above VWAP. Let's see, get rejected here. It's a little hesitant. But we also, it's a little hesitant. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Just because I didn't trust it, and I think it's gonna come back. So this doesn't count. So that was a strike. $300 doesn't count. I still. All right. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to. We had a lot of volume come into this area. I want to see a double bottom or something to see if the SPY can get something bullish here. Man, I was a little early. Didn't want to take it because of this doji candle was just a little bit too scary in my opinion. There's the squeeze up to VWAP. We're getting some volume now. Let's see a nice inverse head and shoulder. Let's see a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern on the SPY. Let's look for some calls. Maybe 395. Let's maybe look for some calls to see if we can get a nice Binimo. I'm not too sure. Thank you guys for the follow. I'm not too sure what that is. Would I miss any other chats? Nope. All right. Thank you guys so much. So far on the day, I am up a whopping $10. Nothing. Let's look for a nice I mean, I think we have some room to the upside. I think we have some room to the upside today. Good. Oh, don't film me. Cancel it. All right, all right, all right. That probably would have been a green trade. Oh yeah. Let's see it get rejected though. Nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. He's gonna get rejected. Then we're gonna see it pull back. Let's look for some puts here. Send to yellow. Boom. And rejected. Very light volume. Very light volume. Hmm. Right, all right. What are we trading, bro? We're not really trading. We're trading the SPY. We have IMMX. Again, we're not really doing too much at the moment. I'm up $10 in the day. Nothing crazy. What is RDBX? Oh, here we go. Let's see a nice flag here. Very light volume. Very choppy. No way. Boom. Could get a nice strong move. Broke the low of IMMX. Possibly we could see IMMX rip. I mean, we are already gapping up a good amount. Let's see what happens here. All right, guys. Let's try to get to 1,000 likes on TikTok. We're at 700. We can get there. All right. Oh, A firm looking to break this downtrend. Not liking it. Very light volume. Very light volume still. Well, let's see this start to go. I mean, I'm just patiently waiting. There's the break for IMMX. Boom. Can't do anything about it. Most likely done trading that for the day. Grab. Look, I mean, I'm not really seeing anything we have. Oh, there's the dump from the SPY. There's the dump from the SPY. There's some puts here. Let's see if we can get another retest of this area. Possibly a false Hmm. Don't want to see it get rejected off this low. Oh, you're buying it. You're buying support right now. I wouldn't be looking for it to go long. I wouldn't be looking to go short. Thank you guys for jumping in. Thank you for the follow. We're at 1,000 likes. Thank you guys so much. We're watching the SPY at the moment. Currently looking for it to either have a bottom or looking to see what happens here. I mean, I don't want to buy at support here. I'm looking for it to go low since we have very light volume. I want to see lighter volume come up and retest VWAP. Look for a nice quick washout below $2 for the options price. Let's see if that happens. Then we might be able to see it absolutely rip up. Here, I can go ahead and move this over so you can see the options price. Options and the options price. That's not going to work actually. As soon as I click off of it, it's not going to go behind. And I'm not a huge fan of anything at the moment. What's going on with Qs? So why would I be looking to get some calls at this level? Why would I be looking to get some calls at this level? I would be looking to get I'm missing the calls. Never mind. Missing it. So it's all good. I was looking for calls because we were coming off the 200 SMA, coming off a nice double bottom, possibly and we're coming off with decreasing volume. So there's 3 reasons right there why we were looking to jump into a trade, but I just wasn't quick enough. We already got some profits from Corey and Profit Stat at QQQ at 143. Woo! First profit in Profit Stat of the day. Love it. Think we're going to come down and fill the gap at we're going to break 90. Those are some calls. I want puts. No, what? I got filled so high there. That's so unfortunate. What? We want to see it. I want to see it dump down though. So it's all good. If we don't see this dump down, what? Why couldn't I sell? Get rejected. Yep, get rejected. Flush out. Flush out. Yeah, flush out. Flush out. There it is. Come on. No, flush out more. I got filled. I think I got filled at my entry, so I didn't take a loss. I didn't like this increasing volume doji. Glad I got out. Oh, I was able to make money on that. Oh, the puts would still work. Maybe go again. 213. I got Phil at 214. Not too bad. Let's see it wash out more. Let's see it wash out more. There it is. Oh yeah. What? That's so unfortunate. I was up much more than that. 22. Not bad, not bad. I think I'm done trading. I could have held it, but I just didn't trust it. Looking for the nice wash. All right, here we go. Is very choppy. Oh, here we go. IMMX. No, that was really high. I was trying to get in at 246. Went in with my first entry. Looking for the break up to 265. Let's see what happens here. Looking for a quick washout and then nice squeeze up to 260, 270. If we can get over 270, I'd be looking for it to go up to $3. That's a little bit. We're at Friday. We're going to see what happens. Let's see it start to rip here. I want to see it. We have a big seller. Let's see this big seller start to get taken out at 157. There it is. Boom. There's a squeeze over. We're going to look for a micro pullback as we break this trend line if we can. We're not. Look for a quick pullback. Okay. I'm risking below. I'm risking like 10 cents. Nothing crazy. Looking for a nice washout. Why are we looking to take this? We're back up in the trend line above VWAP. Looking for a downtrend break. Decreasing volume on the move lower. Very light volume still in this candle. Don't want to see it rip, but again, anything is possible. If we see it start to rip, I'm looking to take some profits. Looking to take, once we see that rip over, gonna go ahead and take some. Oh, I didn't want to buy. I didn't want to buy there. That's unfortunate. 252 is now my cost basis. Looking to flatten my position just because I didn't like it. It was pulling back. We're not getting that explosive movement. So I actually bought some when I was meaning to sell, but I made $17 on that trade. So that was great. Let's go ahead and show my trades. I don't know how much I traded IMMX, a total of, I had 300 at 252. That's 750, so that was pretty good. How much did I make on that? I made 17 bucks. Not bad at all, but like, again, not the best. That could have been more. That was a 2% trade. I mean, I was able to. I just didn't get the pop. We have RDBX for a possible trade here. I mean, I'm thinking I'm actually going to cut it. I'm done. I'm going to be done for the day. I'm up. Oh, we have 98 people in here. Woo! X-Base, guys. Day. So far, I am up a whopping $35. That's $35. That's awesome. So, anyways, on YouTube, thank you guys for stopping in. I'm going to end that here, just since I am done for the day, done trading at least. So, thank you guys so much for stopping in.